Hey guys! My ears look really perky today. Look, I'm at the lake. I know, it's a sexy scenery, isn't it, ladies? Call me up. What are you laughing at?
I'm not laughing, Frank.
Sounds like you laughing. Look at all of it. It's all in my hometown of Franktown, Massachusetts. Why you look at me like that?
Massachusetts?
We're in Massachusetts, right?
Last time I checked, no.
Where are we then?
We're in Georgia.
Oh. I see how everyone failed to tell me this.
We've never left Georgia, Frank. We've always lived.
Really?
Yeah, really.
I remember one time I was in Wisconsin. Because I'm a cheesehead.
In your dream world, you were a Packer.
I was a Packer, not in my dream world. I played for the Green Bay Packers.
You and Troy Polamalu, you're tight, right?
Yeah, we're best friends. Call me up, Troy. Okay, well, there's the lake. I'll see you guys later. Mwah!